So we are boarding the plane. Yes. She's so not paying attention. We are headed off to Spain.
Tiny little bag. Dutch.
Got a 7-hour flight ahead of us, so we're boarding now. Whoa! See, yeah. I don't like these escalators. I like steps. And I'm noticing this is they have this a lot out here. Let's see. Ooh, don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. Okay. Okay. Don't like that. Don't like that. We are in the taxi headed to the hotel. This is our taxi driver. It's very friendly. This is beautiful footage. So we just got to our hotel room, and it's kind of small. I mean, but I do like it. The beds, the closet here. This is our view that we have of the outside. Here, going to the bathroom. The bathroom is really nice. The shower. I'm a bit confused about this window because I don't know why the window is right in the bathroom. It's kind of awkward, but look at this view. It is so beautiful. It's really nice. Look at this. Got like some little lounge chairs outside. This is really nice. I mean, I wouldn't bathe with this window wide open, but this is really nice though. Oh, look like somebody's puppies outside. You can't see. Let me see. And I can't zoom. Like right there, you can probably hear them barking. It's 2 puppies.
Well, ain't no cars coming this way.
So we are.
First left,
Yes, is this the left? Yes.
second left.
So we are walking to the market.
She's a naked lady. My mother would not approve.
Oh. This is cool.
Get that naked lady.
Yeah. Can't zoom in on it.
Porno show.
Huh? That's what that is?
What it says.
El Harne de Internet. Oh!
Oh, Mama, I heard her. Mama did not want to see that. I didn't find her.
Look at the street. Do you see how close this is?
Like on TV. This is my parking. Got my code.
City. Ooh, look at the market right there.
Joey loved that.
Oh, there's a little restaurant right there.
It's coffee.
Uh-huh.
Oh, look at these fancy air conditioners. This must be pretty big.
Okay. So I'm at this breakfast restaurant, and it's actually pretty nice. The inside. This is my food. It was like a ham and cheese croissant, something like that. It was like $1. I know I should have recorded it before I started eating.
Yes.
So, don't think we found the market we were looking for. Safe to say, we might be lost. Yeah, looks like we're going to have to ask for directions because this is not where we are trying to go. I need to put this thing back on my head. Oh my god, there's like McDonald's chairs out here. Walking through the city. Ooh, look at these restaurants. Notice a lot of them are outside. We have found the market. I've seen this on YouTube. This is exactly where I wanted to come. Where do you want to go to? I want one of these things, but it's cold. I know. This is so exciting. See the hamon? But I don't think it's cooked hamon. I don't know what you get. I want some fruit.
And this green one is not
Perché padeci?
un quart, 300.
Hoy también te has puesto
Y no hagáis cosas y encontréis las cosas.
Claro, hombre, por favor.
Hay que encontrar
Look at the ice cream. What's that over there? Is it like candy? Ooh, what's this stuff?
Hello, can I touch you?
Oh, no thank you. What is this, like candy? That's Canon. That's a Canon one.
Oh, you got Nikon. What part of it? You got Nikon. Oh, that's a Canon.
I know. Look at the lady outside. She's like a Marilyn Monroe. Man, that's so cool. So I just got some fresh mangoes. And these things are really good. Oh man, look at this. Look at this. These things are so good. Look at the city.